Hello folks, so this review is about the Bosch, the router POF 1400 ACE. So I've been using this router about a year and a half. Let's talk about disadvantage and advantages. So disadvantage is that you won't believe it, but there are no any other disadvantages about this model. You get for this price, I bought it like £75 or 89 euros, and you get a perfect electric tool for your workshop, for all your DIY works or any other projects that you are interested to do. Now I was in conflict with me, and I didn't know what to choose. This model 100 for 1400 or 1400 or the POF 1200. Now the difference between two models, between 1200 and 1400, is that the smallest model has power of 1200 watts. There is no LED inside, and there is no case, the plastic case. Now in my case, in the model POF 1400, I have a LED. The power is obviously 1400 watts, and the weight is the difference between these two models is the 100 grams. Now this model has the weight 3.5 kilo. Now let's talk about the advantages. The first is the price. As I mentioned, my model with the case, the price was £75. It was bought from Amazon. The power, the second big advantage, is the 1400 watts. The LED light is the advantage, and the bit and the depth of the cutting, it has 55 millimeters. Now another big difference between two models, POF 1200 and mine, is that you can choose your depth by a quarter, a half millimeter, or even a millimeter, which makes these routers very precisely work. What else? As I mentioned, the price is the big advantage, £75, 89 euros. Now, in my case, when you buy this router, you get a bit. This is the Bosch original bit. It has 8 millimeters. Now, also you can choose the support from 6, 8, and a quarter inch tight. You can choose what to get for each bit, forever bit, if you want to choose it. Also, you have support for your vac if you want to suck all your dust from your workshop. Now another big advantage is the case. This model came with the plastic case. It's a huge case. It has some storage for the case, for the support. It has key. You can unlock and lock your bits. Also, you have a 70 millimeters bit, which you can work with your samples. Obviously, you have some protective screen made from plastic, never used, because you cannot hide, you cannot see your work. Also, you have some plastic, metal. The case is very useful. There is a manual. Please read the manual, it's very important. The case has also support for your lock. You can lock, and no one has access to it. So yes. And this is the difference, by the way, with POF 1200. The POF 1200 doesn't have any case. In my, I do have it. So after 1.5 years of use, I can say that it's very interesting to use it. The the old projects that I've been using in the table. You can see on your screen. I've been using as a router in the table, and it was quite useful. Now the plug is, in my case, is a UK plug, as I bought it from London. It has a fuse for 13 amps, which is very helpful in your daily workshop. Also, this is the green line Bosch, which makes for all your DIY projects and is like more hobby, not as professional as a blue line. In my case, this is the made in China product. It was made in February 2020. But anyway, even if it's green light, I do recommend it, as it was unexpectedly very helpful for me. That's all, folks. Have a nice day.